Hey, what's up, Bittorrent token holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about BTT token. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update, and especially that is the special message for all Bittorrent token holders. So wake up in the market, but before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, the current price of the Bittorrent token is 0.002836 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Bittorrent token. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes occur in the BTT token, so now the last 1 hour changes of the BTT token Bittorrent is negative, and the last 1 day 1 week changes occur in the Bittorrent token is positive. Absolutely a good changes occur in the Bittorrent token in the last 1 day and the last 1 week. Just the last 1 hour changes is negative. Let me show you the price chart, and after that we are going to discuss the special message about BTT token holders. My friends, from the price chart, it's also clear that BTT token is now in the pumping mode. It's the profit time, my friends. But the change is still negative. You can see, my friends, the change is still negative, but it is the beginning of a new month. You know what? It is the beginning of August, new month. So as I told you in my many videos that in the beginning of a month, the price explored possibilities, my friends. So now it is the beginning of month, and my message for all of you is also that please buy more and more Bittorrent token. I hope they give you profit, not loss. So buy now more and more Bittorrent token. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Bittorrent token? Also share in the comment box, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.